We want our public to be part of the journey as we preserve our cultural heritage. If you look closely, you might recognize some of the tools that we're using. Cotton swabs, cosmetic sponges, even dental tools. Our art doctors use the same equipment as they do in the medical field. Just as a doctor would use an X-ray to look for broken bones, we use X-rays to look inside of objects to see how they're made. We use a high-powered microscope to examine fragile surfaces. Conservators document their work through photography and other imaging techniques. Our photo lab is closed off from the public view so we can control the light levels. One question I get a lot is, why do we have these glass walls? The Lunder Conservation Center was designed with floor-to-ceiling glass walls so that our visitors could actually observe the conservators working on the collection. We welcome you to be part of the journey into conservation, either in person or online. Our public programs and workshops help raise awareness to conserving cultural heritage now and for years to come.